Hey guys, it's Colby, and today I'm going to teach you how to round off edges with a belt sander. Okay, so first you put it flat on the table, and you keep your fingers away from the sanding thing, and then you keep it off it, and then you turn the thing on, the belt sander on, then you slowly turn, and then you slowly turn back. Okay, so I'm going to do it. So this is what it turns out to be. It's pretty good. And now I'm going to take it over to the disc sander, and I'm going to sand the edges. So first I need to put the fence on. Jig. And then it's 90 degrees. So now I'm gonna sand it, flip it over. Wait, no, I can't flip it over. So I need to flip it upside down and do this, okay? So I'm gonna turn it on now. Okay, so it kind of ruins the curve, so then you need to take it back to the belt sander, and so this is my final piece.
A couple questions, Colby. So,
Okay.
Can you also round over corners on the disc sander?
Yes you can, but it doesn't work using the jig. You have to just freehand it. So I'll show you that.
Got it. Let me just move over here.
Okay, and it looks pretty the same. It's still pretty good. And do you have any more questions?
Could you also do it with a piece of 1/2 inch?
Yes, I'm pretty sure you could.
Would you have to go slower?
Yes. Okay, so that's today's video.
Okay.
Bye. See you next time.